Let's identify the debit and credit of the following items. Bank overdraft has a credit balance because it's a liability and it's a short-term loan which you're supposed to pay back to the bank. Depreciation charge is an expense. Expenses do have debit balance. Equity means capital. Capital usually has a credit balance. General expense is an expense. Expenses have debit balance. Likewise, you identify the factors and post them to the trial balance. Machinery accumulated depreciation. So here it says accumulated depreciation. And then you have machinery at cost, which is 70,000. It's a non-current asset, debit balance. Petty cash is an asset, debit balance. Purchasers have debit balance as per DebtClick SPP Pearls. Rent income is an income, credit balance. Revenue is an income, therefore credit balance. Now, we need to post all this information to our trial balance. So let's post the information. Okay, let's take it one by one. The first one is bank overdraft. And the amount of bank overdraft on the credit side, this is your debit side and this is your credit side. Please make the changes. 3,500. Depreciation charge, 1,400. It's an expense, therefore debit. And then moving to equity, it has a credit balance of 25,000. General expense. General expenses have a debit balance 6,355. I'm leaving machinery accumulated depreciation for later and then I'm entering the machinery costs. It's not a must to leave any lines. 70,000. Then petty cash, debit 145. Purchases, debit 102, 850. Rent income, it's an income on the credit side 1,850. Revenue on the credit side 135,000. Now I purposefully ignored to balance certain information. Now let's tally the debit side with the credit side. Let me take the total of the debit side, credit side. And then let me take the total of the debit side. Let's see if it balances or are there any differences. It doesn't balance. The debit side is greater. So we had missed something on the credit side. What did we miss? Let's enter 15,400 here. Yes. So 15,400 is the provision for depreciation. Right? Now your trial balance balances. This is how you prepare a trial balance from the given information after the identification of debit and credit.